again, everyone. I'm Kerry from Best Quality Roofers Salmon Arm. Today on Best Quality Roofers TV, I'm going to talk to you about tips for choosing the best roofing contractor. You don't want to make a mistake and hire the wrong roofing contractor, one that cuts corners or doesn't do a safe or thorough job. These tips will help you to make the right choice when it comes to choosing a reliable and experienced contractor for your home's roof in Salmon Arm, especially if you don't know how much or you don't know much about roofing. Know the materials you need. It's essential that you're happy with the way your new roof looks, and of course you also want to add value to your home when it comes time to sell it. A company with plenty of different options means they probably have just what you are looking for, while a company with limited material options may not be the right company to repair or replace your roof. Use a local company. Not only does a local company have the required familiarity with local codes and local suppliers, but a company with strong ties to the local area can also often be trusted more than a large national company. And working with a local company also means that you're helping your local economy. A local roofing company right here in Salmon Arm can often save you money as they have strong relationships with local suppliers, and you can be assured that they will take the time to get the job done right the first time. Use only the best materials. You can enjoy peace of mind if you know that the roof over your head is made from the best quality materials, which will last for as long as you need them to, and will do the best job of protecting your home and family. A reputable roofing company will always provide you with a guarantee and take pride in the quality of their materials as well as their work. Even the best contractors can't do an excellent job with inferior materials. Look for a free estimate. Always ask for a free, no obligation estimate from at least one roofing company, and if possible, get that in writing. You can budget for your repairs or replacement roof much more effectively if you compare prices ahead of time and have all the information you can gather. Roofing can cost a lot and affect your home's budget for the next few years. Making good communication is a must. Does your roofing contractor have insurance? Every homeowner understands just how essential it is to have adequate insurance, and you should only work with a roofing contractor with the right insurance coverage. A good contractor will have workers' compensation insurance as well as liability insurance, and you can be protected from a claim or lawsuit against you if your contractor has full coverage. Don't be afraid to ask to see the insurance verification of any roofing company that you are interested in working with. As mentioned above, excellent communication is a must, and you also need to be able to trust your chosen company 100%. If you're looking for a roofing contractor in Salmon Arm, call us at Best Quality Roofers Salmon Arm or visit our website. Thanks for watching this episode of Best Quality Roofers TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more episodes and more tips for your roof.